Hey Steve.
Hi Richard. Hey, yesterday I saw you shopping at the mall. I was there too.
Oh yes. Had loads to shop. Tell me, how's your work going?
Yeah, works is fine, but sometimes it is a bit difficult to gather all the necessary information related to the task assigned, as my project is really very vast.
Oh yes, I can understand how difficult it all get to sometimes manage the huge amount of data present within a project in our IT system.
Yep, I just wish there was a tool which could help us in managing all this data. Wish I had this inspiration from somewhere.
Like I always say, be careful what you wish for, because you just might get it. Me and my team have created an application which serves this purpose.
Really? I'm curious to know about it.
The application we have developed is the System Management Tool and Requirement Framework for IT System, and we have named it as Inspire.
Wow. Sounds great. Please tell me more about it and how will it be useful to me.
The purpose of Inspire is to model a requirements framework for the insurance domain and other systems as an administration system. All the important data, or in other words artifacts, are stored in this application. One can easily search and use them as per their task needs.
So Inspire can help my project in knowledge sharing. What more?
The useful data can be added by the business analysts, thus making it available for all developers, testers and business support to our. It saves the time, thus adding more value business of insurance domain.
So Richa, is this tool only useful for insurance domain?
Steve, the best part of Inspire is that it's not only platform independent but also domain independent. Inspire can be implemented for various domains like banking, telecom, etc.
Great. Then I can even use Inspire in my banking project. But hey, I'm concerned, is it really secure to use?
Yes, Steve, it is secure. We have made Inspire secure by implementing SSL. Also, there are user profiles to provide access to certain functionalities in Inspire.
Till now it sounds really great to me, but how can I start using it? Any installations needed?
Inspire is a web application which you can log into and instantly start using it. I can share you the link too.
Cool, Rose. Is Inspire user-friendly and easy to use?
Of course, yes. It not only stores all data at one place but also helps to represent it in pictorial tree structure format to better explain the relationship between the data elements.
Wow. So Inspire is useful for knowledge sharing and information sharing and also adds great value to business.
Yes, Steve, you got it right.
Richard, you are my hero. Meganard. Hey, let me give you one suggestion. Go for Tito Talent Application Development category. Inspire is really fit for it.
Yes, Steve. We, the Inspire team, are one of the finalists for the application development category. That was what the shopping was all about, you see.
Oh. Great. Meganard. I'll surely vote for your team and for Inspire and best luck. May you win the trip around the world.
Thanks, Steve. Bye.
Bye.